Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today we are going to read about the lesson at the zoo. Are you know what is a zoo? Zoo is an attractive place for children and adult people. Dear children, as you know, a forest is a home for many animals and creatures. It provides them food and shelter. Man depends on the forest in different ways. He depends on many forest products to support his living. There is a strict ban on hunting of forest animals so that many birds and animals are kept in the zoo. A zoo is an attractive place for children and adult people as well. The thousands of people visit zoo every day. Dear children, have you ever visited the zoo? No? No, let us. With this video, we visit a zoo. By reading this lesson, we also visit the zoo with the help of this video. You watch and enjoy this video. So, at the zoo, this lesson is in the form of letter writing. Gopi write a letter to Vishnu. Whatever he see in the zoo, he explained to. He share with Vishnu his visit to zoo. So came to the lesson at the zoo. Gopi writing a letter to Vishnu. My dear Vishnu, I had promised you a letter and here it is. It is all about monkeys, elephants, camels and other beasts that I saw in a zoo. The animal I saw first were the elephants. Elephants were the first animals Gopi saw in the zoo. There were a baby elephant, a mother elephant and a grandpa elephant. The baby elephant was rocking though its chained legs. The mother elephant was looking sad. Why? Because the baby elephant was chained. So the mother elephant was looking sad. But the grandpa elephant was saddled and girthed with his trapping. The keeper had unchained its leg and the elephant was moving about with a cargo of excited children on its back. Cargo means the goods carried by ship or plane. But here cargo means the elephant have to be cargoes. The excited children on its back. At this sight, I was reminded of the ambition of my childhood to ride on an elephant. But alas, I was now no longer a child. So, the ambition remain as the ambition of Gopi. Next, I moved on to see the camel. How ugly the beasts are, but they looked kind and good. The next animal seen by Gopi was camel. Though it is ugly, but they looked kind and good. Nearby was an antelope paddock. And I went there. Are you seeing the antelope? It is just like a deer, having so many horns. Gopi saw a very young antelope racing madly round. It leaped, sprung, turned round and round, round and round, faster and faster. After a while, it stopped all of a sudden. The antelope was moving round and round, faster and faster. All of a sudden, it stopped. Then it tumbled down on a very middle of a heap of grass and fast asleep there. Then Gopi came to next place. Not far off were deer, cranes and storks. The deer were romping. The cranes were having their daily wing exercise, and the noisy storks were making a loud din, making a loud voice. Amidst all this clatter, a stork was having a quiet zone. Standing on one leg, it looked as if it would topple over, but it never did. Next, Gopi saw a giraffe. It towered high above the other animals. It was standing by a huge shed intended for its house and eating the leaves from a tall tree. What a strange creature this animal is! When Gopi saw the giraffe, he thought, what a strange creature this animal is. Strange creature here mentioned to the giraffe. There were lions, tigers, polar bears, monkeys and other beasts in the zoo. There were many beautiful and colorful parrots, snow-white cockatoos and many funny ducks gliding across the pond. I would like to discuss the need for maintaining a zoo. Gopi saying to Vishnu, I would like to discuss the need for maintaining a zoo. VIPs and VVIPs have started adopting certain caged birds and animals. I have a dilemma in my mind. I have a complication in my mind. Is it right to capture and cage birds and animals? Gopi is asking to Vishnu through its letter. Is it right to capture and cage birds and animals? On the other hand, the newspapers bring us conflict between man versus wild animals. Okay, let me write on in details about the subject in my next letter. With love to father, mother, Kasturi and you. In this way, by saying all these words, Gopi completed his letter. I hope all of you understand this lesson. This very interesting lesson. You have to be enjoy this one. Okay? Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.